Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we will explore Tempus AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tack into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April 2025, our system has ranked Tempus AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.56. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 39.07% since we first recommended Tempus AI as a buy candidate 15 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.6% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock has broken the very wide and declining short-term trend upwards. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may be an early signal of a shift in trend. On any reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which is $52.05. This level may offer a second opportunity for a substantial gain. According to fan theory, $71.64 will be the next possible peak trend level and may present a resistance level that is unlikely to be breached on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 18.62% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 61.65% and 38.52%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI highlights a volatile trading session for Tempus AI Inc. stock on Tuesday, with prices moving between $64 and $71.42. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, the stock price increased by 9.92%, rising from $62.69 to $68.91. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 11.59%, dipping to a low of $64 and reaching a high of $71.42. Notably, the stock has seen price increases on 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 26.93% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day, which, combined with the price rise, indicates a positive technical signal. A total of 6 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a cumulative total of 22 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.49 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $91.45, while the lowest was $22.89. Currently, the stock price is 24.65%, or $22.54, below the 52-week high of $91.45, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. Tempus AI Incorporated, trading under the Nasdaq symbol TEM, has recently made significant strides in advancing its position in the artificial intelligence healthcare sector. The company announced the acceptance of 6 posters, including an oral presentation, at the ISPOR 2025 annual meeting in Montreal. This showcases Tempus's commitment to harnessing artificial intelligence and real-world data for precision medicine, likely enhancing its visibility and credibility within the industry. Just last week, Tempus reported impressive first-quarter earnings, with revenue surging 75.4% year-over-year, reaching $255.7 million. This robust growth, accompanied by nearly doubling its gross profit, demonstrates the effectiveness of their artificial intelligence-driven platform for diagnosis and drug discovery. Such strong financial results can lead to increased investor confidence and potentially drive the stock price upward in the short term. Additionally, an analyst at J.P. Morgan recently reiterated a neutral rating on Tempus with a price target of $55, which may stabilize expectations among investors. As more artificial intelligence-related stocks show resilience and growth, the overall sentiment surrounding artificial intelligence, particularly in healthcare, remains positive. In the long term, Tempus's continuous innovation, such as the launch of its note-taker AI clinical assistant, positions the company well to capture a larger market share in the evolving artificial intelligence healthcare landscape. Investors should closely monitor these developments as they will influence both immediate stock performance and long-term valuation. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned TEM a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned TEM a buy grade with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned TEM an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TEM a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tempus AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also provided the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. The chart shows mostly positive signals today. The stock of Tempus AI Inc. holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be found at levels of $60.46 and $50.04. A breakdown below either of these levels would generate sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 85.09%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal emerging from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 25 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 128 days ago. The short-term moving average recently gave a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 13 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average reflected a buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages recently produced a buy signal 3 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $65.22 and $59.10. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Tempus AI Inc. finds support just below today's level at $65.22. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $59.10 and $58.76. This stock may experience significant fluctuations during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $7.42 between its high and low, which represents an increase of 11.59%. For the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 13.08%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tempus AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates indicate a loss of 19 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $69.57. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI encounters its first support level at $65.22. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tempus AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th of May, 2025, Fukushima Ryan executed an insider sale of 7,220 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Fukushima Ryan conducted an additional insider sale of 12,190 shares of Class A common stock. Also on that day, Fukushima Ryan sold 590 shares of Class A common stock. On the 1st of May, 2025, Epstein David R. executed an insider sale of 370 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of February, 2025, Rogers James William made an insider purchase of 4,372 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 20 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power ratio of negative 51.953. In total, insiders acquired 24,412 shares while selling 74,908 shares in the last 20 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $66.46, reflecting a decrease of 3.56%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. A buy signal has been generated from a pivot bottom identified 24 days ago. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signals, and the recent breakout from a declining trend suggests a potential shift in momentum. We believe that the price levels around this breakout will be particularly favorable. However, we also think that the current price represents a solid buying opportunity for the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, the 14th of May, we anticipate that Tempus AI will open lower by 0.8 and begin trading at $68.11. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.